Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro with the crew cab. I'll take you around the bodywork and I'll take you inside and I'll point out any features on the way. So starting with the front left quarter, going down the front left pillar, round the front, across the bonnet, so going down the right hand side, front right alloy wheel, a couple of scuffs but good tread on the tyres. Down the right hand side now, back right alloy wheel, good tyre, round to the back and down the left hand side. Showing you in the back. So, got your 3 seats in the back here. And going inside, as you see on the clock, we've got 116,352 miles. Got your infotainment system here. Starts up nice. Over here you've got your digital radio and you've got your FM and AM radio there as well. You've got your media, got your Bluetooth devices, maps, telephone. Down here you've got your cruise control, controlled on the steering wheel. Down here you've got your audio controls, electric mirrors and windows, automatic windscreen wipers, automatic lights, and here you've got your heating and air control unit and a 12-volt port. And you've also got your eco mode. And here you've got a little cup holder. You've got some added storage up here. More storage around the back there. And you've also got a reversing camera and reversing parking sensors. If you're interested in booking a viewing on this van, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. And you can view this van on our website, paylessforacar.com. Van comes with 1 year's warranty, 1 year's MOT and 1 year's AA breakdown cover. Hope you well, hope to speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.